Hello dear. For insulating glass manufacturing, a reliable line ensures quality and efficiency. Lingbo lines use high-quality materials, guaranteeing each glass piece meets strict standards. We offer customized solutions for different specs or Type S. Our professional R&D team provides full process technical support, ensuring smooth production. Choose Lingbo for quality, customization and support. We understand that different businesses have unique production needs. That's why we offer customized insulating glass production line solutions. Whether you need to produce glasses of special sizes, unique configurations, or specific types, our team can tailor the line to match your requirements perfectly, helping you stay flexible in the competitive market. Beyond quality machining, Lingbo provides strong technical backing. Our professional R&D team, with solid technical expertise, offers full process technical support. From installation and commissioning to daily operation and maintenance, we're here to assist you every step of the way, ensuring smooth production without frustrating hiccups. Choose Lingbo for a production line that combines quality, customization, and reliable support.